Hey guys, Player here, and I want to introduce y'all to my stirling engine I got here. All it uses is heat from a tea candle and water, cooling water, which I got here. So let's pour some cooling water in there. If you're asking why I have an OU football cup and an Oklahoma City Thunder shirt on, it's because I live in Oklahoma City, which is epic. So, here we go. See if the tea candle will light. Don't think it's gonna work. If this doesn't work, we can always put it on the stove. It's not gonna work. So, yeah. Let's take you to the stove view. And let you go. I think that'll work, I think. The way this works is the hot air pushes up a piston inside the pressure chamber here. Pushes the piston up, driving the crankshaft. I'll show you after I get done with the demo run. So this is already preheated because I thought that thing wasn't going to work. So we gotta let it heat up for a bit. And while we're waiting, let's mess around with some laptop avatars. Whoa, okay, that's not what I wanted. What is this? That's amazing. Oh, it's a kitty, it's a kitty. Oh, alright, shut up already. Yeah, I told you to shut up. This is amazing. Alright. Alright, I think it's been heated up enough. So, here we go again. So, just spin. Here's the drive diaphragm. Flywheel is the DVD. And a crankshaft. So, you gotta give it a quick spin. And then it just goes. Wow, is it really spinning that fast? Doesn't look like it. So, I'll show you top view. There's the crankshaft. There's the flywheel. Okay. The stirling engine here. Uses a DVD as a flywheel. I have a piece of tape on there to try and use as a RPM marker, but it's not really working. So, yeah, this is real easy to make, but it's a different design. I have a website for you. It's called stirlingbuilder.com. Go to the quick and easy stirling engine. It just uses Coke cans, fluorofoam, balloon, PVC elbow, and a DVD. And it'll show you how to do it on there. So, anyways, I'm going to show you all the wind down of it. It has quite a bit of an ambient heat wind down. Wonder what would happen if I put it on ice. I'm not gonna do that because I'm pretty sure my mom would kill me. So anyways. This is taking a while. Sorry, there's some neighborhood kids pissing off my dog. Hate them kids out there. So anyways, it's still going. I'll take it off the burner. Put it on its fire until. This just reminds me of a 3-legged mini Model 2T base. Just thought I'd share that with y'all. So anyways, It's still going. It'll stop here in about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright. So, yep, that's about it. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.